Welcome back to Quest for Quiz, the preliminary round of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently read Crescent Primary on 6 points and Oracabessa Primary on 3 points. It's now time for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, teams will face off against each other in the categories of science, math, English language, and social studies. Our first face-off will be between Michaela Gowdy of Crescent Primary and Keanu Small of Oracabessa Primary. Michaela, what is 2 and 1 over 7 expressed as an improper fraction?
15 over 7.
Correct. Which prime number comes immediately after 31?
37.
Correct. What is 8% of 25? 'The question passes. Keanu, would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
The answer is 2. Michaela, what is the value for the Roman numeral LXI?
61.
Correct. And final question. Find the area of a triangle with height 8 meters and base 4 meters.
16 meters square.
Correct. Keanu, we're over to you. What is 1 and 2 over 3 expressed as an improper fraction?
12 over 3.
Incorrect. Michaela, would you like to try?
Yes, sir. 5 over 3.
Correct. Keanu, which prime number comes immediately after 71?
75.
Incorrect. Michaela, would you like to answer?
Yes, sir. 73.
Correct. Keanu, what is 20% of 250?
50.
Correct. What is the value of the Roman numeral XCI?
111.
Incorrect. Michaela, would you like to attempt?
Yes, sir. 91.
Correct. And final question to you, Keanu. Find the area of a triangle with height 12 meters and base 10 meters.
120 centimeters squared.
Incorrect. Michaela, would you like to attempt?
Yes, sir. 60 centimeters square.
Also incorrect. 60 meters squared. And that will bring us to our second face-off in science. This will be between Theon Harris of Crescent Primary and Antoine Mitchell of Oracabessa Primary. Theon, what are hot molten rocks which flow from a volcano called?
Lava.
Correct. A needle is an example of which type of simple machine?
Wedge.
Correct. What must be done in order for water vapor to change to a liquid?
To be heated.
Incorrect. Antoine?
No, sir.
You need to cool the vapor. Theon, during pregnancy, what links the placenta of the mother to the abdomen of the fetus? The question passes. Antoine, would you like to attempt?
No, sir.
The umbilical cord. And the final question to you, Theon. What happens to most heated materials when they are left to cool?
They hardens.
Judges? Incorrect. Antoine, would you like to attempt?
No, sir.
They contract or get smaller. And Antoine, still with you. What is hot molten rock inside a volcano called?
Magma.
Correct. A nail clip is an example of which type of simple machine?
A lever.
Correct. Kyle wants to change liquid water to a solid. What should he do?
Harden it.
Incorrect. Theon, would you like to try?
No, sir.
Freeze the water. And Antoine, what is the name of the medical test a woman undergoes to determine the gender of her child? Question passes. Theon, would you like to try?
No, sir.
An ultrasound. And final question to you, Antoine. When heat travels through gas, currents are set up. What are these currents called? Question passes. Theon, would you like to attempt?
No, sir.
Convection currents. And that will bring us right into our third face-off of English language. This will be between Chanel Jackson of Crescent Primary and Sidonia Fraser of Oracabessa Primary. Chanel, what is the superlative form of for much?
Most.
Correct. Spell the word vocabulary.
VOCABULARY.
Correct. Form a noun from tempting.
Tempt.
Incorrect. Sidonia, would you like to try?
Yes, sir. Temptation.
Correct. Chanel, which word is out of place in the following? Is it poster, pot, painting, or photo?
Pot.
Correct. And final question. By changing the suffix, give the opposite of fearful.
Fearless.
Correct. Sidonia, these questions are for you. What is the comparative form of old?
Older.
Correct. Spell the word curiosity.
CURIOSITY.
Correct. Form a noun from horrifying. Question passes. Chanel, would you like to attempt?
Yes, sir. Horror.
Correct. Sidonia, which word is out of place in the following? Is it plate, toy, fork, or spoon?
Toy.
Correct. And final question. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of agree.
Disagree.
Correct. And that brings us to our final face-off in social studies. This will be between Brian Wallace of Crescent Primary and Amelia Thompson of Oracabessa Primary. Brian, what is the largest country in the Greater Antilles?
Cuba.
Correct. On which continent is Japan?
Asia.
Correct. What is the capital of Vietnam? The question passes. Amelia, would you like to try?
No, sir.
Hanoi.